sweet comments. I feel better now.
Okay guys, so I saw that we saw that you guys really liked our 3-color glue slime challenge. Yeah. Well, anyways, we're like, you guys want a part 3? No. Too many, man. So, we're going to do the 3-color of food coloring slime challenge. So, I'm so excited. So,
let's begin.
Yeah, okay, so we have different colors. We even have black and brown and white. Is that even going to do anything? Maybe just make it lighter. But I'm excited. Who's going to pick first, Bella?
Dun, dun, dun.
I pick first? Okay, you're going to start it up.
Wait.
And
Wait.
Okay, mix. I really want to pick. Oh. Can I pick? I'm getting kind of bored. Maybe I should sing Baby Shark. Baby Shark, do 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 do. Baby Shark, do 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 do. Baby Shark, do do.
And then.
Oh, wait. Okay, 1, 2, 3. I got dark blue, neon green, and neon purple.
You got
I wonder what is this gonna make. Okay, yeah, go.
Thank you guys. Boogers.
Oh. Okay, so now it's your turn, Bella. Turn around and let me mixy. Look right here.
Oh, there we go.
Okay, go. Pick color 1. You see it? Okay, close your eyes. Color 2. See it? Okay, close your eyes. And color 3. Bella got such good colors. Looky.
I got pink.
What did you get, Bella?
Pink, orange, white.
Good job.
Pink. Yay.
So now we're gonna pour in the glue. Okay, so you wanna go first? Okay. Pour up to like maybe up to hand. Okay, I'll help you. Oh my god! Oh my god! Bow. Who's Bow? Who's Bow, yo? Okay, my turn. Romeo. Here's Oreo.
Oreo.
You want some more? You want some more milk? Got some milk. Selling some milk.
Selling some milky
Look. How much do you have? I want to put this in the mouth. Okay, I think that's good. So we're going to put in our first colors and I'm so nervous. Oh my god. Okay, I'm going to put in blue first. Yeah, I got it. Okay. So add like 3 drops of each. I have ugly slime.
I have birthday slime.
Yes, you do. And mine is like the ugliest slime in the world.
Slime. I just see some white slime.
Wait, are we allowed to add more food color? No, we're not allowed to add any more. Yeah, so if you get an ugly color like mine, you
Wait
can
a
add
second.
What?
It's not forming.
No, because we haven't put activator, silly. Okay, so
I have birthday slime. I have birthday slime.
I have like mermaid tail slime, but still like boogers. Like boogers mixed with mermaids, so it's kind of like cute and ugly. So this is mine, and Bella's. Wow, here's so many.
My birthday slime.
I'll probably use those colors again when I make a new slime. So next, I think we need just our activators. So activator. Okay, so now we're gonna add in our activator, and this activator is gain. It's gonna make our slime gain some weight. So after, it's gonna have to go to the gym or something. The slime. Oh my god, guys! I think it's actually getting somewhere, like turning into slime. But I always stick my hands in too early. Of course I do. Why?
Not even forming, Mom.
It's not forming.
Yeah.
Maybe stick in one hand and stir. Oh, look at
Bella,
mine.
you need to move the activator around.
Okay.
Leave it right here. Stick one.
Can you help her mix that part?
Okay, just mix one with only with one. Okay, just mix with both hands. And I'll help you if anything, because mine's already coming off my hands. Whoa! Mine looks cool. Can you guys, like, what do you think this looks like, Bella? I think Bella thought hers looked like pretty birthday cake. But I think mine looks like mermaid tail. Oh my god!
Oh my god, it's forming.
It's forming?
Oh my goodness, guys.
Whoa, yours is so pretty. It looks like bubblegum or something. Loki. Well, this is mine. It kind of looks like mermaid tail, I think, or unicorn hair. Oh, la la. Let's take it out of the bowl.
Did you fall?
Ew, no. Did you? Be honest. Okay, well, let's take it out. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to take mine out of the bowl, and you should do it too, because we need to show all our, you know, mermaid and unicorn squad. Oh my god, this is sticky. Whoa, yours really does look like bubblegum. Awesome slime. Oh my god, it's falling. Oh my god, let me move this so you guys can see. Oh my god, I'm gonna try to
And
make a
guess
bubble.
what, guys? When we just came back from the Blocks of Bounce house that we just did, and we had so much fun, so we thought we'd do this video just for you.
Aww. Do you want to tell them what she said?
Yeah, so Bella said that we went to Jumping Jamboree today, which she said a place with a lot of bounce houses. And then she also said that she enjoyed it so much, but she decided to come home to do this video for you guys. Isn't that sweet? Aww. Right, Bella, that's sweet?
Yeah.
They're still sticky?
Yeah.
Oh my god. I'm gonna spread. You need some? Okay, let's add some to yours. Okay. Think of some stuff that yours looks like. I obviously think bubblegum because that looks like, oh my god, this looks beautiful. Together they kind of look like unicorn colors. That's cool.
They match your shirts.
Oh, mine's is blue like my shirt and hers is like this peachy pink color like this part. It's so funny. Okay guys, so we really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I want to give a huge shout out to Gabriela Garcia, and thank you for being my best friend even though we're in different schools. And I
have something to tell you.
What do you want to tell Gabby?
Subscribe.
Yeah, she subscribed already. Silly.
Gabby, I love you. You need to subscribe if you didn't subscribe right now.
And make sure to turn on the bell if you haven't already. Well, we love you guys so much. And wait now. Subscribe right now, Bella said. So I guess that concludes us to the end of the 3-color of food coloring slime challenge. Make sure to comment down below who's you think won. Team Jasmine or Team Bella. We love you so much. Bye. Bye.
Baby, I'm on fire. I tell her, baby, I'm a fireball.